Hi, today I would like to talk to you about cauliflower. If you Google cauliflower, you'll find enough recipes to make your head spin. You can find recipes for cauliflower pizza crust, cauliflower ricotta cheese, cauliflower hot wings, different kinds of dips, cauliflower taco meat, which is one of my favorites. You can make silky cream sauces with it like Alfredo. You can make soups, cauliflower rice, or if you look on the WW app, you'll see a recipe for a whole roasted cauliflower with a tahini sauce, pomegranates, and pistachios. Today, I'm not sharing any recipes with you. Today, I just want to show you the technique for cutting cauliflower steaks. I like to serve cauliflower steaks. If I was to serve a whole roasted cauliflower, it's just my husband and I, so it's a little bit too much. But if I make it into steaks, then I have the extra that I could use for other things. So like I said, this is all about technique today. Picked up my cauliflower at the market this morning. I've trimmed off all of the leaves. I used a small knife to take those off, but I have left the stem intact. You want to leave the stem intact on the cauliflower because that's what keeps it all together to make a steak. Different recipes will say to cut it straight down the middle because you have a base here with the stem on it. I always have a hard time with that because I never quite get it through the middle and then I'm left with two odd sizes. So I take my chances, I flip it upside down, and I'm going to cut it on either side, about ½ an inch on either side of the stem end, and then I'm going to cut it straight down the middle. I'll show you how it's done. Now I'm using a bigger knife. I use a bigger knife because this is a tougher vegetable, so it needs a little bit more arm power. And I'm not going to be using a small knife for this because it's a big vegetable. So like I said, I'm going to cut on about ½ an inch on either side of the stem. My hands aren't anywhere near it. I can hold on to it like this. Now I can use all of these pieces for so many different things. As a matter of fact, WW has a lot of great recipes for different kinds of roasted cauliflower dishes. So now you can see I've got my cauliflower. I've still got some left on the other side of the stem end here. And from here I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to go right down the middle of the stem. It's a little bit harder. Hand on the top, fingers up, straight through. Now on the other side, I'm going to cut it the same distance that I had for the other piece. Because when it's a cauliflower steak, you want it to be on the thick side. So it's usually about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide. So as you can see, it's quite thick, but this is the main course. So what I'll do when I go to cook these is I have my grill pan. I'm not going to oil this. I'm just going to put my cauliflower on here on super high, because all I want to have is the grill marks. It's only to make it look good. And then from there, I can marinate my cauliflower or bake my cauliflower in the oven in whatever flavor profile I'm creating with the dish. For this one, I'm going to be making a Thai flavored cauliflower steak with a peanut sauce. And looking forward to dinner tonight. So that's how you cut a cauliflower steak. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.